Hello, welcome back, guys. Now we start the evening recap of how the day went. So don't forget to like if you find this helpful and also subscribe. So let's go to the first pair of today. Okay, we'll come back to this. Let's start from gold. On gold, I'm still very bullish on gold. Still looking for bullish entries. This was one year I missed this one. I could not take this one, and you can see it did play out well. If you are new to the channel, kindly watch the last uploaded videos explaining how the strategy really works. Okay, I was expecting to see a bullish engulfing candle form. You can see this one coming up right here. I was expecting this candle to close above this. Then I just set my ideal stop loss here, waiting for it to retest a little before moving up. But there was nothing like that. So on gold, there was no trade today, but still very bullish. On Euro USD, I took this trade very early. I was active, so I saw this engulfing candle close around 12. Yeah, so I entered on that candle, and boom, because I was bearish on gold on Euro USD till what happened during the day today. Because we were below this high, we were trading below this high, not until this candle formed around 6 a.m. in the morning. So I took this trade before the formation of this candle because I was still looking to push the market downward, and that was a loss. I took minus 0.5 on this. Then this candle formed on the 4 hour, confirming the break to the upside. You can see this candle right here. This candle here, this white candle closed above this high, and that was the break to the upside for me on Euro USD. So I just decided not to. I didn't want to take any position on it again. But then on the 4 hour, I saw this engulfing candle push from. Oh wow, that was a nice entry. You can see the wick took out the wick from by this low. Then the body went to close far above this black candle. And on the 4 hour, this is another one forming here, confirming the entry again. You can see this wick taking out this black candle wick. Then the bottle closed far above. I didn't enter on that because of this loss, so I just stepped back a little on because I had a lot of trades today. Then I saw it form again here. You can see this wick taking out the black. No, I knew, oh wow, the market is ready to push higher. So I took the position right here, and right now it's still playing out. I'm just waiting for it to get to the 1:1 level so I can break even on this. So that was the recap on Euro USD, and right now I've changed the direction, or the market has changed direction to the bull side. On USD JPY, right from this moment here on the 4 hour that we broke or we closed below this low, I drew this down. I was expecting market to go up a little, and then probably you'll see the formation of the bearish engulfing candle form. Oh, this is one. You can see the candle formed right here on the 4 hour, and then it just formed by the previous close candle. But on the 1 hour, there was this entry during the day. Yeah, you can see this candle here, the black candle. This is the downside. The wick took out the wick formed by this white candle, then closed far below it. The peep was too much. Oh, let me just reverse that. My ID stop loss is 20, no, nothing more than 20 pips. So the pips was too wide, and I was expecting the market to reverse a little into it. As you can see, the market got to this point right here, and did not hit the entry. So there was no trade on USD JPY. The entry was not executed, but the market is still very bearish. On GBP card, I was in this trade yesterday. I was in this position yesterday afternoon, so it played overnight, and boom, around 11 a.m. in the morning, I closed 1:5 on this, and that's plus 2% on my account On GBP card, this really played out perfectly, and obviously still really pushing upward. You will be expecting another entry. I would like it to come down a little again. Let's just come down a little, rally around. Let's just see something taking the bears out again. Then we push it forward or upward rather. Okay, the next pair is GBP So GBP too, I drew this expecting it to go bullish. So I was expecting to see this in form right here. As you can see, this candle, it did form the fashion in the like fashion of an engulfing candle, but the wick didn't close below this wick. The wick didn't take out this previous low, so it was not a valid entry for me. I had to leave it, but you can see it's playing out. It's playing out well. On AUD USD, I said I was bearish, so I drew this because there was no close above this high on the 4 hour. As you can see here, ADS is breaking downward, broke down here again, came here. There's another break of structure here to the downside again by this candle. So as I said, we are still within this impulse move right here, and this, sorry, excuse me, and this high is still very valid. So markets came up in during the day. I saw the bearish engulfing candle form. You can see it right here. Just closed above it a little. It was just a little above it, yeah. And it thing closed far below it. So I took the position. And around 1:1, somewhere around there, I broke even on it and boom, the market took me out. Almost hit the stop loss, then start coming down again. I think did like 1:3. Let's see. So it was not up to it was not up to 1:3, but still showing that it's still in the bearish move, still trending downward. But presently, I'm not in this position. I got taken out. Yeah, on the even side, I'm even on this trade after running 1:1. Okay, this is GBP USD, and I drew this in the morning that until this there's a close on the 4 hour above this high right here. This downward move is still very valid. So that happened during the early hour of today, and on the 4 hours you can see we broke upward here. Okay, let me mark these out. Okay, that was the break of structure there. This black candle did close above it, and now we've shifted bullish. So I'll just be expecting the market to maybe rally down a little. Let me just delete this. So I'll be expecting the market to rally down a little to somewhere, maybe somewhere around there. Then I'll be expecting the engulfing candle to form right there, so you can take it higher. And it's be a nice thing to be in the position. On the USD card, I took a loss today on USD card. On USD card, as you can see on the 4 hour, we are still within this impulse move here. We are still trading, the prices are still within this range from this low right here, to this high. So market is still ranging within it, and I'm still expecting it to continue higher until there's a close below this candle here. Okay, so on the one hour time frame, I saw this bullish engulfing candle form. You can see it was like the opposite of what formed on Euro USD. So I took the bullish position, and I was not even, I think it did 1:1. I'm not sure. It the alert didn't go off. There was an alert there that didn't go off, so it was not up to 1:1, just like a pip or two away. If it had hit the 1:1 around there, I'll be even on this. But the price came down, took out the stop loss, and it's trying to go back up now. But that's it. I took minus 0.5 on this on USD card, and on USD CHF, this is it. I saw this formed, but because of my losses today, it's my personal rule not to have more than two loss per day. So I had like three. I took the third position because there was a winning trade that covered for the second one. So I took the third one, and that was a loss. So I could not. That was USD card. So I could not take this position. I saw it play. I even have my candle form right here. I have my position ready, and as you can see, price is coming to after this engulfing candle close. The price was moving very fast around there. I think there was some sort of news that did push the market faster. So prices came back. I just set the entry here. Prices came back into it and triggered the entry. Now it's running like 1:1 already. Something I'll be even on if I happen to be in the position. Yeah, it's doing more than 1:1 already. So if I was in that position, I'll be even by now, but I could not take it because of the losses today. But this is a very good entry on USDCHF. It's breaking downward and the position would have been secured now, but that's that. So for today, I had minus 0.5 on USD card. GBUSD, there was no trade. ADSD, I was even on ADSD, so there was no loss, neither profit. GBBAD, I did nothing on this. GB card gave me +2 today, and I had minus 0.5 on USD card. So that's like plus 1.5. I did minus 0.5 on Euro USD here. So that's like just like +1 today, and I have this position open right now with risk. So today was just like a total of +1, and because of the losses. So thank you for joining this evening recap, and as you can see, it's just the repetition of the same thing. This is to prove to you that this strategy really works if you really take your time and try to apply enough discipline to it, and try not to bore yourself with other things. Just focus on the market structure, and the candles are really talking. So by the way, don't forget to like this if you find it helpful. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.